This is me, Michael Baba, and today's topic is about the 3 papayas here on the table. This is the regular size, although it's big, although that there are bigger than this on the mall, I think, but this is the big one. I think it's a little larger on my head, as you can see here, and its weight is like more than 3 kilos, or it's like 4.5 kilos, I guess, because it's really heavy. So what I have here is these 3 papayas, biggest papaya I've ever seen, that I've ever seen in my backyard, my house. And we're going to show you a clip on how we slice this and its flesh inside the papaya. And that's it. Okay, so this is the papaya. I'm going to turn this a bit so that you can see how big that this papaya is. I'm gonna slice it. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to use my deadly knife here. It's very cool. Here we go. It's very freaking big. Oh my god! Okay. Pink.
Put it on your face.
It's freaking big.
Where is that from?
This papaya came from a backyard I planted. And this is the papaya. See that there's little seeds in it. Not so much. This one too. Use my freaking deadly knife worth 1,000 pesos. I think. So I'm going to slice this more. This, I guess.
Oh, got it, got it.
But you know what? My knife is kind of shaky. Holding my knife, it's very shaky.
Michelle, wag mag-storya.
Okay, so isa tayo nito. Dulo. Yes. Meron na kaming, so this is our lunch. Sa aming papa, no? Sa amin na lunch na namin to. So this is all things. Yeah. Okay, so you already seen the flesh inside of this papaya. So hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe on my channel. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching.